Great hiring starts with visibility. This short video explains how to post your open positions on the posting board and share your opportunities with the right candidates through our trusted sister site, thepostingboard.jobs. Start by logging into your account. Go to thepostingboard.com and select Login in the upper right-hand corner. If you are the admin, select Member Login, then enter your email and password. If you're a team member, select Team Login and type in your email address to receive your magic link to go directly to your job posting platform. From your members' dashboard, scroll down to Job Board. Click the highlighted button to start. Go to Post Jobs Now to begin publishing your open positions on the posting board. Welcome to your job board, the place where your hiring efforts come together on the posting board. Here, everything you need is right at your fingertips. You can post a new job, search the jobs you've already created, and review applications from candidates who've applied to your listings. Each section is designed to make the hiring process simple and organized, helping you stay connected to the candidates and opportunities that matter most. Whether you're filling one position or growing your entire team, this dashboard keeps your process running smoothly. Now, let's start by posting your jobs. First, select Add New Job. Provide the job title, something clear and specific that helps applicants immediately understand the role. Your company name will appear here automatically. Include your company website in this field if you'd like applicants to learn more about your services, the job position, or apply on your own platform. Next, decide to display your street address or keep it hidden. This option protects your privacy while still letting applicants know the city, state, and zip code of the position. Add your address, city, state, and zip code here so your listing appears in the right regional searches. Select your hiring timeframe to let applicants know when you're ready to bring someone on board. Then, choose the experience level you're looking for, whether entry-level, mid-career, or advanced. In the location field, choose if the position is on-site, hybrid, or remote, giving candidates a clear sense of how they'll be working. Include details about shift and schedule, like first shift, weekends, or rotating schedules, so candidates know what to expect and determine their fit. Next, choose the job type: full-time, part-time, temporary, etc. Highlight the benefits your organization offers. From health coverage and paid time off to tuition reimbursement or professional development assistance, these details show candidates that you value their well-being and growth. Add the job description here, give an overview of the position, tell the story of the role. Explain the purpose of the job, who it serves, and how it supports the mission of your organization. This section paints the big picture. Next, add the salary or the salary range, along with the frequency of pay. You can also note any supplemental pay, such as bonuses or commissions. Below that, specify any benefit eligibility conditions. Include job responsibilities and requirements, list key duties and expectations, what the day-to-day looks like, qualifications, skills, or experience required to perform those tasks effectively. Be specific and action-focused. Now it's time to set the posting schedule and get ready to publish. Start by adding the date and time to go live on the posting board. Then, choose your end date and time when the listing is to be closed and expired. Once everything looks good, check Publish and then Save to go live. Or keep Published unchecked and select Save to come back and finish later. Now that you know how to share your services, get posting. By sharing your open positions on the posting board, you're not just filling roles, you're connecting people with a purpose and an opportunity. Show your commitment and grow your impact on the posting board. Treatments, one-stop resource site.